In this video, we will learn how we can edit the menu and how we can arrange the menu on our website. I'm using a WordPress. I have this website, and as you can see, the names of the menu are quite different. Some of them called homepage. There is another one called service new, and also there is another page called about new. I really want to delete this word new from here. For example, services new, I don't want that. I just want it like services, and then about new, I want it like just about. And also the home page, I will just like to have it like as a home page. The first and most important thing in here is you need to be logged into your WordPress website. Okay, if you're not logged in, you will not be able to see these menu on the top. So once you are logged in to your WordPress website, you'll be able to see these menu. So click on the customize, and once you are here, you want to go in and click on the header builder, and then from there click on primary menu and then configure menu from here, and then under the primary menu click on edit menu, and then here you'll be able to see all the pages. So home page, I just want to have it as home, so home, and you can see the changes up in there as well. Then I'll come to the contact page. I really want the contact page to be under the, to come on the third. I want the services to be second, so I'll change the services new to services, and then contact, and then the about new, I want it as about. I don't want the word new in it. All right, so once this is done, all you need to do is click on the publish, and that's it. It's been published, and when you go back, this is how your menu will look like. Here you can see the changes have taken effect. So you can see the home page, services is second, contact, and then I have the about page. So this is how you can change the names of the menu and how you can arrange it on the WordPress website. If this video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you, and see you next time.